Where does the name for Llandudno Junction, or Cyffordd Llandudno, come from? Today I'm in Llandudno Junction, Cyffordd Llandudno. It's a relatively large town actually, in Conwy County, just by the River Conwy. So the town here grew up largely around the train station, which was built here in the 1890s. Now, in the 1890s, people didn't use Welsh on official signage, so the original name of the town is actually Llandudno Junction. It was called that because here is where the main line between Chester and Holyhead has a split off which goes over to Llandudno, which is just further up the Creuddyn Peninsula here. The Welsh name of the town is a translation of the English name, Cyffordd Llandudno. Cyffordd is a junction and Llandudno means Llandudno. The word junction in English comes from Latin iunctio and it means to unite or to join together. And the word cyffordd, meaning junction in Welsh, comes from the word cyf, which is a prefix which implies togetherness, and then the word ffordd, which means a way or a path, so a place where two roads come together. So the town name literally means the junction that goes to Llandudno. Okay, so a little bit of local folk etymology. So the old station hotel behind me is known locally as the Killer, or in Welsh, a killer, which means the same thing. And there's three theories as to why it's called the Killer. First of all, the theory is that people would work on the trains, then go and get drunk in there, and then come back and cause accidents and it would kill people. The second one is that it was really rough and quite violent place, and to go inside people would be killed because of the violence there, but it seems really nice now. It doesn't seem awful at all. And the third one, which I think is most likely, is that people would go there to kill time whilst they were waiting for the next train. So literally it means the junction that goes to Llandudno. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Subscribe for more, give us a like and a share. And if you want to support me on my pilgrimage, my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.